ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಸೋದು, ನಾನು ಕಿಡ್ನಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ.
ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ನೀಡ್ಫುಲ್?
Some office objections were there.
ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಕೇಳ್ದೆ.
Yes, my lord, she has entered appearance.
Last time ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ no representation ಅಂತ.
ಹೌದು, she has entered appearance today. My lord, a complainant, my lord, an alleged victim by name Mr. Rajesh Madiwala, my lord, gets into a lot of real estate deals in Telangana. We invest, my lord, a lot of money with him. One fine day, my lord, he comes over to his native place, my lord, in Manipal, doesn't return back. Having invested, my lord, we have huge concern. We come to Manipal, meet him, he agrees, nim jotel bandu ella settle ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಜೊತೆಲೇ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಸೋದು, ನಾನು ಕಿಡ್ನಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವರು ತೆಲಂಗಾಣ ಹೋಗಿ, ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ದ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ 28. ದಿಸ್ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ರಿವೀಲ್ಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಆರೋಪಿಗಳ ದಸ್ತಗಿರಿ ಮಹಜರು, ರೀಸನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಂಡ್
ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ರೀಸನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ದಸ್ತಗಿರಿ ಮಹಜರು. ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದಸ್ತಗಿರಿ ಮಹಜರು.
Please get the records.
Yes, my lord.
You are in custody now.
ಹೌದು, there is the, and my lord, in the kindly see my lord how brief it is. ಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ ಹೋದ್ರು, ಆ 301 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್, ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇದ್ರು, ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ವಿ, ಇಷ್ಟೇ.
The problem is 364A.
I understand
kidnapping for ransom. That's the allegation.
That is a luxurious implication by the police, my lord.
No, whatever. We don't know.
I understand that.
No, hanganda grounds of arrest ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಡ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, your lordship sees my lord ದಸ್ತಗಿರಿ ಮಹಜರು, my lord. This is the first time I am hearing, my lord, ಮಹಜರ್ for ದಸ್ತಗಿರಿ.
We'll see. Yes.
ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 28 ದಸ್ತಗಿರಿ ಮಹಜರು
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಲಂಗಾಣನಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಂಗ್ ಬರ್ದಿರೋದು.
Without informing the local police, my lord, they port him for 21 hours.
ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇವರು ಕನ್ನಡ ಆರೋಪಿಗಳ ದಸ್ತಗಿರಿ ಮಹಜರು ಅಂತ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಕಸ್ಟಮ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ತೆಲಂಗಾಣ.
Heard the learned senior counsel M.S. Shyam Sundar appearing for the petitioner. The offence alleged is the one punishable under section 142 and 140 within bracket 2 and 140 within bracket 3, which is 364 and 364A of the earlier regime, the IPC, which hyphen kidnapping for ransom. The offence is grave, punishable with imprisonment for life. Be that as it may, the learned senior counsel submits that no grounds of arrest or reasons for arrest is even given to the furnished to the accused at the time of taking him into custody. If that be so, it stands completely covered by the judgment of the apex court in the case of Mihir Rajesh Shah, the learned HCGP, to secure the records and place it before the court tomorrow.
Greatly obliged.
In the event no records are found, the court will be constrained to set the petitioner at liberty.
Greatly obliged.
Yes.
ಅವರು ಇದ್ರು ಆ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. He was assisting the DW4 as well.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಳಿ.
Asked for the document that has been produced, my lords. The alleged offence is subsequent. He is accused number 4.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್?
It's produced on 23 June, my lords, please, with the memo. Enclosing his retirement, my lords, on 31st May 2014.
ಯಾವತ್ತು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಸರ್?
Please, 23 June may I pass on for kind for consideration, my lords. Please. Offence in the charge sheet is against accused number 1, and that A4 is also assisted him, etc., my lord. That is
all the incidents have happened later anta ellide?
No, my lord, in the charge sheet 2015 to 2023, there's a charge column, page 38.
Page
38, please, my lords. Line number 6. 1/6/2015 17/8/2023 ತನಕ ಸಹಾಯಕ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಾಹಕ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ.
ನೀವು accused number?
I am accused number 4 on the basis of the confession of A1, my lord. There's a shortage of materials. Now he alleges.
The heard the learned senior counsel PP Hegde.
CW4 also has stated his ಅವರು ಇದ್ರು ಆ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. He was assisting the DW4 as well.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಳಿ. ತೊಂದರೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ. Heard the learned senior counsel P.P. Hegde appearing for the petitioner. This court on 19/6/2026 had passed the following order. In compliance with the said order, the petitioner files a memo depicting the petitioner having retired on attaining the age of superannuation on 31st May 2014. The summary of the charge sheet indicates that all the offences qua accused number 1 has happened between 2015 to 17/8/2023. The petition long after the retirement of the petitioner. Therefore, the acts of crime could not have fallen on the petitioner, for no act done by him that would become the ingredient of the crime. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of all further proceeding qua the petitioner accused number 4 till the next date of hearing.
Grateful.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿ
It
ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
was our fault. It was our fault. Please.